How to find secret conversation on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device. Make sure your Messenger application is updated to its latest version for this feature to work. Once opened, make sure you are signed in to your account and now further, go ahead and open the conversation you want a secret conversation with. Now, tap on the user's name and a menu will appear. Scroll down and under the More Actions tab, you should be able to see the Go to Conversation option. Tap on that to go to the secret conversation. Remember that not all regions support the secret conversation feature. So, if you do not have the secret conversation option, then it probably is because your region does not support this feature. So, this is how you can find secret conversation on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.